Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends unicorn cake delivery car. So let's see what's inside. So there's a car and we have two bags of Lego and two guidebooks. The guidebooks are very small, nice and cute. So those are the things that's inside this set. So we have two dolls in this set. So first it's Leo, and Leo looks like this, and he's holding a very delicious looking cupcake. This is kind of like making me want to eat cupcakes. It's been a long time since I ate cupcakes. Anyway, so this is Paisley, and Paisley is wearing the unicorn t-shirt from the Unicorn Dream Cafe set. So there you go, we have two dolls in this set, and they all look very nice. They both look so amazing. So now let's start building this set. So we have some cakes in this set because this is a unicorn cake. No, anyway, it's a delivery car, so we have to deliver stuff, right? So this one, there's also a balloon, a very nice looking balloon, and we also have a present, and there's a donut inside the present. So we make the present, the balloon, and the cake. So now we can start building the car. So these wheels are so like old-fashioned wheels because these are the sort of wheels that I had in 2019 when I first bought my Legos, which is actually quite a long time ago. I was quite young at that time. So anyway, these wheels are actually much easier to put it together, but the wheels nowadays, the rubber and the plastic, they don't really go very easily. It's not very easy to put them together, so it's actually quite hard. So anyway, this is a unicorn, and there's like a unicorn logo over there. It looks very cute. So it kind of looks like a cake on wheels with a unicorn horn, and there's some like rainbow colors on top of it. And so that the back seat is where we can put the things that we're going to deliver. So this really looks like a unicorn, doesn't it? And surprisingly, this is all already finished. So this build is going really fast, right? So there you go. We have the car and two dolls and a cupcake, cake, present, and a donut. I think it looks very cute. And I'm also very looking forward to playing with this one because I'm going to play with this with the unicorn cake, what was it? The store, remember? Cafe, I think, yeah. So I think like playing with this one with the unicorn cafe is gonna be very nice and fun. So now let's start playing with it. Na, 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 na. Hi, Isa! Oh, Leanne, what brings you here? Today is my mom's birthday and I want to prepare a special surprise. Do you have anything that's kind of like related to birthday stuff? Well, I've got this very big cake with a candle, and I also have another cake. Wait a sec, let me show you. So this is the first one, and we also have a pink cake. That one looks nice too. And what else? We have a balloon and also a present. What's inside the present? Oh, well, there is a donut inside. That's very good because my mom loves donuts. Which one are you going to buy? I'll have all four of them. Okay, I'll make the deliver car deliver. Please make sure my mom doesn't see. Okay, Leanne, have a nice day. Thanks, Isa. Bye. So now Leanne went back inside her house. And Isa is calling Paisley. Paisley, we have a lot of things to deliver to Leanne's house. Oh, okay, I'll be right there. Bye, Paisley. Bye, Leo. Okay, now I have to go to the cafe. Bye. Bye. Good morning, Mrs. Michelle. Good morning, Paisley. It's such a nice sunny day today. Yeah, right, it's very good. The weather's very good today. Oh, here I am. Isa! Oh, finally, Paisley, you're here. We have two cakes and a balloon and a present that we have to deliver. Why so many stuffs? Because it's Leanne's mom's birthday today? Oh, it's Michelle's birthday. Wait, this cake is way too long. I think it's gonna be quite dangerous because of the candle. How about you first deliver the pink cake, but make sure this is a surprise birthday, okay, Paisley? So make sure Michelle doesn't see you or the car, okay? Okay. I'm good at surprise stuff. Yeah, Leanne wants it to be a surprise, so we have to make sure it's a surprise. Why? What's wrong with the cake? No, I think it's supposed to be like this. Okay, come back soon, okay? You have to pick up 3 more stuff. Okay, I will. Okay, now let's go deliver this cake. Oh, Leo, what are you doing here? You're supposed to help us out. Well, it seems like you guys don't need me at the moment, so I'm taking a rest. Okay. Oh, what a relief. Michelle is not outside. Phew. Leanne. Leanne. Can you hear me? Leanne. Leanne. Who's there? Oh, Paisley, what brings you here? Do you want to play with me? No, I'm here to deliver your cake. My what? Your cake. Oh, my cake. Hey, Paisley, don't park the car over there. My mom would see. Wait, just wait a sec, okay? So this is your cake and I'll deliver the rest a little bit later. Well, but how am I supposed to grab that cake? It's way too far. Oh, well, do you want me to go inside? No, my mom is inside. I'll go down. Hi, Mom. Hi, Leanne. Where are you going? I'm just going to go and play with my friends. Yeah, sure. Don't come too late, okay? Okay, Mom. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Paisley? Paisley, where are you? I'm over here. Just get rid of this car, would you? Wait a sec. Well, now what are we gonna do? We still cannot take the cake inside. We need someone to distract her. Oh, I have just the person. Leo! Yeah, you need to distract Michelle. Distract who? Michelle, the birthday woman. Oh, okay, so how am I supposed to do that? I don't care, just distract her for an hour or so. What's this car doing here? Oh, finally, thank you, Leo. Oh, what are you guys doing here? Shh, pretend that we're not here. Yeah, we're not here. Well, maybe I should tell her that maybe we should have a little chat. I don't care, just distract her. Knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, hi, Leo. What brings you here? I heard that it's your birthday today. Oh, how did you know? Leanne told me. So, how about we have a little chat in the Unicorn Dream Cafe? Well, I do have a lot of things to do, but I guess an hour or something would be okay. Yeah, sure. There's lots of good stuff in here. It's really delicious. Let's go inside. Oh, this is a really nice looking cafe. Yeah, it's really good. Oh, Leo, what are you doing here? You're supposed to help. Hello, Mrs. Michelle. Oh, hi, Isa. What's all this stuff? Oh, this is nothing. This is nothing at all. It's like just some, like birthday stuff for my other customers. Oh, you know what? Today is actually also my birthday. Oh, what a coincidence. Maybe I should buy a cake here. Oh, no, you shouldn't. Sorry. Oh, I mean, we're sold out with cakes. So yeah, we're just here to have a chat, right? Yeah, sure. Are they gone now? I think so. This is a lot harder than I expected. Please put the cake inside. Yeah, I have to deliver the rest of the stuff. Yeah, okay. Here you go, Leanne. Thanks, Paisley. Now I should go and get more stuff. Phew. What's Michelle doing here? Leo, seriously? Did you have to bring her here? Oh, Paisley. Isa, what is she doing here? I don't know. Leo just brought her here. Just act normal, okay, Paisley? Act normal. Is everything okay, Isa? Yeah. Paisley's just delivering stuff for the birthday girl. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, very sweet. You don't have to be in a hurry, Paisley. One by one. Okay, Isa. Bye. Bye, Paisley. Phew. Leanne, I've got a present for you. Thanks, Paisley. So this must be the one that has the donut inside. Smells good. Okay, so now for the cake, and how about just put the balloon as well? There you go. Leanne, last delivery. Thanks, Paisley. Bye. Okay, so now everything is ready. Mrs. Michelle? Yes, Paisley? Leanne is calling for you. Why? I don't know. I think something is urgent. Okay, sorry, Leo. I think I should better go home. Yeah, sure. Bye. Bye, Mrs. Michelle. Happy birthday to you. Bye, Isa. Bye, Paisley. Oh, why is there a balloon over there? Is everything all right, Leon? Happy birthday, Mom! Oh, Leon, how did you prepare all this by yourself? It's so nice. Yeah, but I actually didn't do it all by myself, Mom. I got some help from my friends. Oh, Paisley! Oh, Isa and Leo, that's why you guys were acting sort of weird today. Yeah, we were preparing a surprise birthday to you. This is so nice. Thanks, everyone. Now blow the candle, Michelle. Yeah, sure. There you go. Whoo! Ooh, wow, that's very nice. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. There's also a present for you. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Oh, a donut. I love donuts. Thanks, everyone. Happy birthday, Michelle. Happy birthday, Mom. So, Michelle had a very nice birthday. She also opened her present, ate her cake, and so she was very happy with this surprise birthday. Yeah, so now they're saying goodbye. So today I built the unicorn cake delivery car, and this is very cute and it's very fun to play with this set with the unicorn dream cafe set. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I will come back with other Lego videos. This is a small set but it's actually very cute. So see you next time. Bye bye.